Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will guide you through the process of reposting on Instagram like a pro. If you have ever wondered how to share someone else's amazing content with your follower or giving credit to the original creator, you come to the right place. Let's start the video. To repost on Instagram, you have to click on the share icon, that is like an airplane icon, and then you have to click on the add post to your story. Adjust the post as you want and then click on the next at the top at the right bottom, and now click on the share option in your story. Your post will be shared in your story, and now click on done. You see that your post is shared to your story. There is another way to share to repost on Instagram. You have to take a screenshot of the post you want to repost on your Instagram. Edit the screenshot carefully. Go to your profile and click on the plus icon. You see several options: reels, post, story highlighter. So you have to click on the post, upload the screenshot you edit, and click on the arrow option at the top right, and now you have to add any caption and see you all other option. So you have to click on the tick mark at the top right. So your post is repost on your Instagram account. So you check here that your post is reposted. This is the post which you reposted at that time. Thanks for watching.